Good morning, children of class 4. Today we will start a new chapter, that is our natural resources. Children's nature, our nature has given many things like water, air, soil, minerals, plants, animals, and other things. Okay, so we get water, air, soil, minerals, plants. These are called the gift of our nature. We use these things, the gift of nature, to fulfill our daily needs, and early humans did not know how to use this gift of natures. With the time has been passed, we people learn to convert this into a useful things to satisfy or to fulfill our needs. Okay, it was then that this gift of nature became valuable resources for them. But now children's the gift of they early humans, they did not know this valuable gift of nature. But when time passes, peoples learned that we can understand the valuable gift of natures become valuable resources for our needs. Okay, and for examples, children's wind is a gift of nature's, and when human learned to generate electricity from the windmill, it became an resources for us. Okay, children's windmill is, this is the picture in the book. There is a picture of windmill. From this windmill, energy of wind will be generated as an electricity. Okay, and children's resources are and their types. All materials in our environment needs this, all these materials that which present in our environment will gives us satisfy for our needs, and this needs which we get satisfied from the environment is known as the resources. Okay, and there are of two types of resources, that is natural resources or the natural things, and man made or the human made resources. And the natural resources are as like land, air, water, soil, forest, animals. All these are the natural resources, whereas human resources or human made resources are buildings, roads, factories, machines, electricity are the examples of human made resources. Okay, these are known as the human made resources. And children's natural resources are of two types, that is exhaustible resources and inexhaustible resources. Exhaustible resources means that is going to be extinct, or means that we cannot fulfill again and again. Okay, and existable resources such as metals like an iron, copper, aluminiums, and fuels like coal, petrol, natural gas are available in a limited quantity. And children, in the previous chapters in the our mineral resources, we have learned metallic and non-metallic resources, and iron, copper, and aluminium are the metallic, whereas coal, petrol, natural gas are the non-metallic natural resources. But both of these resources are existable resources. Okay, and are available in a limited quantity. Once we use of these, we cannot again and again create of any one of them of these resources. So we must have to be careful, we must have to be take very careful of these resources, because this such resources which are going to be finished from our earth, this type of resources are called exhaustible resources. They are also called non-renewable resources. Okay, and coal is an important sources of energy, or the or the sources of power. It is used to for cooking or cook heat, and to generate electricity. It is used to run steam engines and factories in. But in children's, in our country, there is a large number of coal reserves in our country, but we must have to be used at a limited. But now, because this reserves are going to be extinct. So exist so we have used many coals, so now it is in a limited. Okay, so we must have to be care our coal resources. And petroleum is known as in black gold, children's, and it is take it out from the um, earth, and it is take to the refined to produce petrols and diesels. Petrol and diesels are used to as in fuel in car, buses, scooter, ship, aeroplane, and etc. And children's petrol reserves are also very limited, and children's there's a petrol are not available in every country. So okay, children's, and these are the non renewable resources or the existable resources from both the metallic and the non-metallic resources. Okay, and whereas children's and inexhaustible resources means natural resources that will going to be that will not going to be exhausted. They are called inexhaustible resources, like solar energy, air, water, plants, and animals are a few examples of the natural or the renewable resources. Okay, simple we can say renewable resources, and this can be renewed. So these are known as the renewable resources, means solar energy, rain, air, plants can be renewed, so these are known as the renewable resources. Okay, children, energy of a sun is called solar energy. Plant make food from the from or by using the solar energy, and it is used nowadays it is used to as an street light, cook, heat waters, and generate electricity. Okay, and air is an important natural resources. All living things need air to live. Wind is used to generate electricity. Air is an important and natural resources. Okay, children, without air we peoples cannot live. Okay, we can survive more than 7 days without food, but we cannot survive for a single second without air. Okay, children, so air is an important natural resources. All living beings or the all living things needs air to live, and wind is used to generate electricity also. Okay, and water is needed for drinking, washing, cooking, growing crops, and many other purposes. Okay, children, we need water for drinking, cooking, washing, and growing crops, for irrigations, and many other purposes. Like children's, we use electricity. That electricity will generate from the falling of your water in a dam, that is called the hydroelectricity, that will generate from the water. Okay, and plant gives us food to eat and oxygen to breathe. The children's plant, the food we eat, we everything, mostly the food we will get from the plants, like rice, dal, vegetables, fruit, pulses, everything we can get from the plants. Some food we can get from the animals, but mostly children, we get food from the plants not only gives us a food, but it also gives us oxygen to breathe. Means that the means children's, we you know very well that we peoples breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide that we breathe out, that carbon dioxide, plants breathe in carbon dioxide and breathe out oxygen. Okay, children, so we get oxygen from the plants. Okay, and children, almost all animals depends upon plant from the for the foods. And children's, plants means all the small plants or the big plants or the trees or the forest. Okay, all these are the plants. And trees prevent soil erosions and give shelters to many animals. Trees prevent soil erosion and gives shelters to many animals. And children's, This is why tree is, or the plant is also called the green gold. Okay, and children, soil is need to grow plants. Soil is need to grow plants. Plants cannot grow in the air or in the water. Mostly all the plants, some plants can grow in water, okay, but mostly plants need soil to grow. So if there will be a fertile soil, there we can grow food crops, or the good, that fertile soil is good for the cultivations of many crops. Okay, children's, and conservations means how can we shape our natural resources. There are many different ways we can save our natural resources, and carefully we can use this, and it will be last for long. So children's, we must have to be careful, care and take care of our natural resources. For examples, ground water is a renewable resources. Okay, children's, groundwater is a renewable resources, but if we take more and more water from the ground or from under the ground, that rainwater cannot be, we cannot get added. Okay, and our groundwater reserves will get also exhausted. So we must have to be use less water of groundwater, because maybe it will be exhausted. Okay, and this will leads to water shortage. And children, here are some ways to conserve natural resources, like we must not pollute our air, water, and soil. We must plant more trees. We must not hunt wild animals, save electricity, and try to develop other sources of energy. Okay, and children, solar energy is the resources of futures. Okay, and solar energy is also an renewable resources. Okay, children.